One of the leaders of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS, Dr. Mohan Bhagwat, on his visit to Shillong, had expressed his joy at being able to set foot on one of Meghalaya's noted landmarks, Ulum Sopet Bneng. Bhagwat, who was welcomed by the president of Kaseng Khasi Khmer Mokhar Shillong, Elder D.K. Dakhar, visited the religious site of the Sengkhasi religious denomination on the 26th of September 2022. During the day, the committee of Uttamenu San Kaseng Khasi Khmer, under the leadership of Elder Skor Jala and his team, had performed religious rites at the altar at Ulum Sopet Bneng. Others present on the event included the Vice Chairman of the Lom Sopet Bneng Committee, Elder Paya B. Sinrem, and Cultural Secretary of the committee, Hamar Singh Kharmar. Dr. Bhagwat had also planted a tree sapling to mark his visit to the sacred site of the Khasi people. While addressing the gathering at the pinnacle of Ulum Sopet Bneng, Dr. Mohan Bhagwat said that the day marked a special occasion in his life when he was able to set foot on such a religious and historical site of the Khasi people. At the same time, he opined that from henceforth, removal of obstacles and challenges will emanate from the place, and society will witness a remarkable and positive change as far as its origin is concerned.
Kamen sao kamen sen ani yodon kipen win kipen ton nakadang nakamon to senran ka bilai to senran ka ringkau ko senran ko basamo kalum sopet bneng ani kenrat unda shai kum kaski unda shai kum ubnai unda phu mo kenrat kum usentiu kum uskut unda he unda yar kum kasi kum kaskong Tetang kine maki kintin ngadadam hakimat ka jungu ngati hakimat ka jungi mokapa basa bai tak nang thor ngingu ngidem si haja
इस दिन ऐसे पवित्र स्थान का दर्शन करना और स्वर्ग से यहाँ पर 7 परिवार उतरे, इसका मतलब मानव जाति का प्रारंभ हुआ। ऐसे स्थान पर रहना ये मेरे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य का विषय है और आपके निमंत्रण के कारण ये हुआ, इसलिए मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। ये एक शुभ संयोग है कि हम सब लोग यहाँ एकत्र हैं। आज के दिन से हमारे समाज में शक्ति जागृत होगी और हमको सब संकटों से पार करके वो जो शुद्ध अपना गोल्डन ब्रिज है, जो फिजिकली ब्रोकन होगा लेकिन हार्ट में अभी भी है, उसके पास सबको ले जाएगी। ये एक आशा और विश्वास और श्रद्धा मैं प्रकट करता हूं और मेरे 2 शब्द यहीं समाप्त करता हूं।